Hello, Keith Rucker here at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, today I'm over in my little storage building. This used to be where I shot videos in years ago. But I wanted to show you guys the haul of machinery, catalogs, manuals, other related literature that we got from up in Pennsylvania a couple of weeks ago. I did a little video where I went up to Barry Stoop. He had his lifelong business. He was retiring. He was selling off pretty much everything, had a big auction. Before he had the auction, though, we went through a bunch of his literature from his collection and we pulled a bunch of stuff out. And he donated that to the VintageMachinery.org site, the website, for us to scan, get uploaded up onto the website so that we can share this information with anybody that's looking for this old information, which is a big part of what we do over at the VintageMachinery.org website. Very excited to get this. This is a huge collection, probably the largest single collection that I've ever got of catalogs. And we got some work to do to get these ready to scan. And that's where I'm going to ask for your help. So what I want to plan on doing is have a little work weekend out here at the shop, an open house work weekend where people can come in if they would like to and just help out with whatever needs to be done. A big part of what needs to be done, or what I need to get done before we can start scanning all this information, is we need to go through it. It needs to be sorted. It needs to be basically my process is I go through everything. I sort it in alphabetical order first, and then I go through each letter and I sort it by manufacturer. And then I go through there, I pull out any duplicates so that when we're looking on the computer, trying to see what's on the site and what's not on the site, we're not looking stuff up multiple times. Some of these manufacturers, I may have a really large pile, so I may not remember from one to the other if I've already looked that one up or not. So that is the biggest task that I really am in need of help on, is getting some guys to come in and help do that. And I thought that this would be a good opportunity to enlist some help from out there. People can come in and help out. So my plan is, and I know this is coming up real quick, but July 1st and 2nd, that's a Saturday and a Sunday, basically have a 2-day shop open house work day weekend where anybody that's interested in coming can come on out and take a look at the shop, help out, pitch a hand, whatever. And like I said, my main focus is going to be getting all this stuff sorted out. Believe it or not, I know you guys have seen in my odds and ends videos where I have posted lots of boxes of manuals and stuff that have come in over the last couple of weeks. I've got a guy hired this summer as a school teacher that's off from work, and he's been coming in and scanning stuff, and he is just about caught up, not counting this load. So probably by the time we get all this stuff sorted out, we're going to be needing to start funneling that over there for him to start scanning. I've only got him another month or so before he has to go back to school, but this will be a good opportunity to go ahead and hopefully start making a dent in this pile, because it's going to take a while to go through this. We have done a tremendous amount of scanning this summer, and hopefully we can continue those efforts going forward and get these things knocked out. So that's kind of the game plan. Here's the deal. If you're interested in coming and helping, here's what I would like for you to do. I need to kind of have a head count, know how many people are coming. So if you can send me an email, that is the best way to do this. I mean, if you want to leave a comment below that you're coming, that's great. But the best way for me to keep track of it, I need everything in one place. Shoot me an email. My email address is right down below. This pops up at the beginning of all my videos. This is the best way to get in touch with me. If you need to have, if you got something you need to talk to me about or whatever, shoot me an email. I monitor that. And I tell you what, it's really difficult. And I've talked to some other YouTube creators about this. We have such a presence on social media. I've got comments on YouTube. I've got a Facebook following. I got an Instagram following. I got email. And all these places have messaging parts in it, and people send us messages and we're replying, and there's just so many places information is coming in. I can't remember where they come from. So I go back, 2 or 3 weeks, like, yeah, somebody sent me something, and it takes me 30 minutes just to find a message. The best way to do it is just good old fashioned email. That's the easiest thing for me to search through everything else. So anyway, I'm kind of gone off on a tangent there, but shoot me an email again. There it is right down below. You can shoot that to me and let me know that you're coming. Let me know if you're going to be here for one day or both days, and we will plan accordingly and make sure we have things going on. If I have enough people show up, I've got some other little projects that we can enlist some help in. We got all kinds of stuff that needs to be done around here. So hopefully we'll get a nice little crowd out here and we can do some stuff and have some fun. And like I said, have some time to just visit and take a look at the shop and whatever. Even if you only just got a few minutes and you want to just stop by and see the shop, you know, we can do that too. We'll hopefully have some folks come out. So again, July 1st and 2nd, this is 2023. Again, I know these YouTube videos tend to last forever. So, you know, if you're watching this 5 years from now, sorry, it's already happened. I don't know that I'm going to make this an annual event. Who knows? We might do something like that. But yeah, come on out if you're in the area or want to make a little road trip. I do realize this is right before the 4th of July weekend. And I know some of you guys may have travel plans already and may not be able to make this trip because of it is a holiday weekend. But guys, I need to get this done. That's the first available weekend that I can do it. I'm going off to the Barzy Summer Bash this coming weekend out in California. And then that's literally the following weekend after that. So again, I know it's short notice, but hopefully get some folks to come on out. I think it'll be fun just going through this literature. I enjoy seeing the machines and when I'm sorting them out and looking at them and getting an idea of what's in here. So there's a lot of stuff here. We tried when I was at Barry's to go through stuff and pull duplicates out, but I'm confident that I still probably have some duplicates in here because I started on this box down here and then I get over to this box over here and I'm in the same manufacturer and I can't remember exactly what I had in the other box. So some of this stuff may be duplicates. In fact, I'm sure there's duplicates in here, but hopefully not too many. Hopefully this is mostly original stuff. And like I said, once we can get it sorted out by manufacturer, then I can start looking to see what we already have on the site and see what needs to actually be scanned and start that process of getting it uploaded where people can look at it. Guys, that's pretty much what I got. I know this is a short video this week. Hope to see some of you guys come out. Hope to see some of you guys out in California at the Barzy Bash this coming weekend and whatever. So again, shoot me an email right down below, July 1st and 2nd, 2023. Shop party, whatever you want to call it, work weekend, open house at my shop here. I am located in Tifton, Georgia. I probably should have said that earlier. If you don't know where that's at, South Georgia. We're about 60 miles north of the Florida line. Tifton's right on I-75. I'm probably 10, 15 minutes away from the interstate. I'm out in the county, out in the country, not in town, but we're close to town. And if you are traveling and need a hotel room, we got plenty of hotels and stuff in Tifton. I'm not going to even start trying to recommend one. There's so many. Being on the interstate, there's a tremendous number of choices there. So I'll let you guys kind of figure out that if that's something you're wanting to do is a stay for the night or something like that. And then I know we got lots of folks that actually live pretty close and could just come over and help for the day or a couple hours or whatever, and just make a day trip out of it. So there you go. Hope to see you guys soon. Shoot me those emails if you're planning on coming, and hopefully we'll have a good turnout and we can get a good bit of work done and get this stuff knocked out. Thanks. That's going to be a wrap. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up and comments always greatly appreciated. Hit that bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. And a big, huge thank you to the supporters of the site who support on Patreon, PayPal, etc. Yeah, like I say, we could not do all this without you. That's it, guys. We'll catch you on the next video again. Thanks for watching.